Vidyalakshmi is the scheme implemented by Directorate of Tribal Welfare to promote education of the girl child of the ST community and further assist this weaker section of the society. In order to eligible under the scheme, the girl child has to pass the 10th standard examination and take the admission in the 11th standard in any stream, arts, commerce, science, vocational, ITI, and shall have the family income less than rupees 3 lakh per annum. Financial assistance of rupees 25,000 by way of fixed deposit is provided under the scheme. The fixed deposit is created in the name of girl child and the Directorate of Tribal Welfare. Once the girl child passes the 12th standard examination or its equivalent within the 3 attempts or within 2 years from the first attempt, then the girl child can apply for the release of the FD. The FD is released to the girl child with interest and the amount is credited in the bank account of the girl child.
चे ओन एक्सपेन्सीस आमी घेवपाक शकताली आनी लायक ते पेरेंट्साचे बर्डन नासले आमी आमचे ओन कितें तें घेवपाक शकताली आमचे एड्युकेशना खातीर मागीर आमचे स्टेशनरी बी तें सगळें.
The scheme is in offline mode. There are two forms. One is to apply for the financial assistance under Vidyalakshmi scheme. This application has to be filled by the student and along with the document required to be submitted to the respective institute. The institute will forward the application to the Directorate of Tribal Welfare. The documents which required to be enclosed are income certificate, caste certificate, passing certificate, bank detail and Aadhaar card. The document to be enclosed along with the release form are copy of high secondary mark sheet, copy of SSC mark sheet, copy of Aadhaar card, copy of passbook copy and mandate form duly certified by the bank manager.
I'm very thankful to the government of Goa for providing us with this scheme.